What's up, guys? Rob Shoecraft here with Restorm Fitness, and I'm going to talk to you today about, just kind of keep you updated, I suppose, with my cable belt squat project. I mentioned I did a lat pull down one, and I've been messing a lot with cutting custom lengths to fit my Rogue power rack, my R4 power rack, to do just different cable type exercises that I wouldn't be able to do without a dedicated machine to do it. And anybody who knows, belt squat machines they can get really expensive, and they're arguably worth the value. I think I ended up doing this for like somewhere in the neighborhood of $50. So, you know, it has its downsides. Let's talk about it. It has a lot of perks too, like that it's $50 and not $3,000. Okay, so the way I have it rigged up here, nothing too sophisticated, but I have a pulley here, hooked to a carabiner, and a strap up here. These straps are like, I did a video on them before, they're like $1.50, $2 a piece. They hold like 12,000 pounds. They're good to go. Carabiners are relatively inexpensive, a couple bucks. I got a pulley system here, or a pulley block. I think that was like $18, something like that. Got a length of 1/4 inch. It's actually like, I think it's like, ends up being like, I want to say 5/16 maybe with the vinyl on, so it's a pretty heavy duty cable. More than enough. I mean, this thing's capable of holding thousands of pounds. To another carabiner, that's a Spud loading pin, but you can use your spell whatever you want. Then on this side, so I have my Black Widow rackable platforms, but I know not everybody has those, so I wanted to show another way to rig it up if you're interested. I got some 12-inch cinder blocks. They're bigger than the standard size. So I got 4 12-inch cinder blocks with a cheap bumper plate, 10-pound bumper plate here, just to kind of provide a little barrier, and then a 45-pound plate on top of that. And that's very, very stable. It doesn't wobble at all. It holds up very well. And cinder blocks are what, $2 a piece. Just about everybody has 45-pound plates. You could probably just buy like some cheap rubber mat at Walmart and do the same thing. But I had the bumpers lying around, so that was fine. And then I got you can't see it, but I got another strap like this orange one up here, down here, with a safety pipe running on the very lowest hole. So we're talking 1 inch off the ground, runs underneath. The strap goes, straps to that, to another pulley block. And this is all the same length. I measured it measured it and cut it so that it run perfectly. I'm still kind of trying to fine tune my measurement system a little bit, but it's good enough. And then I got a Spud belt squat here. So let me show you how it works. I'll talk about the downsides. You'll be able to see the downsides here as I do it. They're not that big of a deal, but boom. And then I can do squats here without. You can do squats. You can also do a number of other stuff. You can do like kind of like assisted step up sort of deal. These are nasty on the quads and glutes. I was messing around with this a little bit. If you go real heavy, you get a pretty sweet burn through the posterior chain. Kind of do like an RDL, and then drive, squeeze at the top. All sorts of neat stuff. Of course, you do all sorts of rowing movements and that sort of thing too. So downside. I guess 2 downsides. When I say downsides, I'm comparing this to, I don't think it's that big of a deal, but I'm comparing this to, you know, like a dedicated machine. Like my dude Marty, hi Marty if you watch this. Marty got a great review on he's got a Rogue Rhino belt squat machine. Those things are fantastic. So Rogue Rhino, it's dedicated, it's all there. You just pretty much load it up and you're good to go. This, you know, you got to rig it up. I mean, once you get it down, it doesn't take that long. But you got about, I don't know, I could probably get this thing set up in about 2-3 minutes. As long as the cinder blocks are sitting right next to the power rack anyway. And then you have to kind of bend over a little bit to strap in, to put the carabiner on the belt squat or on the belt, and then you have to get yourself into place, right? So you grab a pull-up bar, grab a hold of the power rack, or you could, I got a TRX suspension rigged up here. You could just strap those over here on some pins, pull them off and pull yourself up that way too. You can also do that while you're, give you something to hold on to as well with the suspension. Anyways, so, but again, you're saving a ton of money and it's extremely portable. It doesn't take up any extra space, just hanging on the wall. A couple things, if you're still watching. I'd like to, once I really find, I'm messing with a lot to kind of just really get a good quality cut and prevent the cables from fraying and that sort of thing. So I'm messing with some soldering and this and that, just trying to perfect it, so to speak. But if you're interested, if this is something you might like to have, go to my website. I'll put a link and to my contact form, and just hit me up. Just let me know if you're interested, because I would like to start selling them. I'm not going to spam you or anything. I just want to kind of get a decent idea of anybody out there who might like to have something like this. What else was I going to say? I don't remember. I don't know, but let me know if you have any other ideas. I'm all ears. There's a lot of potential with this setup. You get yourself a swaging tool and a good spool of cable wire, and you could do all sorts of fun, magical things on a Friday morning. Get out of here. There's a cat down there. All right, guys. Rob Shoecraft, 3 Storm Fitness. Please subscribe to this channel. You guys have a great day.